Hi Shubhankar, thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. Congrats on your admit into LBS.
Yeah.
I'm excited to know about how was your journey so far along with us. So to begin with, can you start off with a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah. So my name is Shubhankar. I'm an engineer. I studied at Manipal, and since I also worked at Goldman Sachs. I just resigned last week, but I worked there for roughly 2 years. Um, and yeah, so that's basically my background. I also like with my engineering, I also did a minor in business management. So that's basically when um, my plans of actually getting a formal degree has been there since 2019. But I applied last year, and I applied in round one, and I got like my admit in round one. And LBS like was the first school that I applied to, and I got it, and that was what I was aiming for. So I didn't apply for any other schools after that.
That's lovely. So can you tell us about how was your experience with the MIMSA?
Yeah. So the experience has been very positive, right? Like I have 100% strike rate right now. There's only one application that I did, and I got what I wanted. It's also been positive because I kind of lost a year the year before that, simply because I wasn't very organized in the way that I was trying. So like I kind of learned from that, and this was a last year that I could have applied for the courses that I want, because there was like a work ex gap in there as well. So yeah, like it really helped keep everything in place, and allowed me to like prepare for my GMAT in parallel. I also have my application going on, and also work full time. So I believe that was the only way I could have managed a very hectic job and GMAT prep and like run one application. So it was only possible because of that, because like I'd seen a year before, it's very easy to lose track in between, and before you know it, you've missed some deadlines, and then you have to look at next year.
So how do you think we were able to add value to your application throughout this tight schedule that you were following?
Yeah, so like I mentioned, the one thing obviously was the fact that it was organized. I had like very clear deadlines set out, soft deadlines set out. This is the day when we'll finish reviewing your profile, the day when you kind of have like your first draft ready. So that really helped because, like I mentioned, I was doing my GMAT prep in parallel. So I could, dedicate some time for GMAT and then not have to worry about how am I going to like finish my application, because it was planned out well. And then the second thing obviously was, just in the way that I went about my application. One thing that I really liked was that nothing was really spoon fed. It was my story, and I was the one who like told it. But I was just kind of guided in the sense, like in regards to how I put it out there. And that was very important because you can have an application spoon fed to you, but when you're giving the interviews and when someone's talking to you about your application, if you're not very clear about your story, and if it's not like your story, then you can't really move on ahead of that. So at no point was anything spoon fed to me. It was more like it was all about mentoring me and kind of guiding me as to how I go about it. So that was great.
Okay. All right. So what would you say is the best part that you liked about our services?
I mean, the best part that I liked about it was I was really encouraged to think about a lot of things. I myself had an idea of like how I want to go about it, but just outside of it as well, a lot of questions popped up at and they will in when it comes to any applications. A lot of things happened. I had a lot of questions at like random hours because I was managing like a full-time job and applying, so I was writing essays late night. So I mean, Viral, who I worked with, was like there to solve those questions. And not just about my application, I remember not doing really great on my IR and freaking out about it, because I mean I did have a good score, but I was freaking out if that will hamper my application. And it was a day before my submission, so I could call him, talk to him for 30 minutes, and he'd get back to me. Even if there was something that he wasn't sure about, he would like check internally and reach out to me. So it was a very hectic application, but we were there till the end, like 11:30 p.m. on last day of round one application. He was still there. So I'm sure he was like he also had like other obligations, but at no point like I had any difficulties reaching out. So for me, it was very personalized, the whole experience, and that was like the best part.
So the last question is there any kind of advice or suggestions you'd like to give those applicants who are really skeptical about taking up our services?
Yeah, so like I said, I feel like the service was a part of the investment as a whole that I'm doing in it, and it really helped me give direction to the way I was going to go about it. So if anyone is genuinely serious about applying, I'd suggest don't make the same mistakes I've done. Losing a year or losing a round of application even can have like a very significant this thing, and I feel it's not something that you look at individually. You look at it as a whole package. Like you wanting to study, it's an investment and it's a whole package. So this itself is a very important part of it.
Thanks a lot for your kind words and your valuable insights. I'm pretty sure this is going to be useful for quite a few applicants out there.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the luck for your future endeavors, Shubhankar. And thank you so much for taking out the time once again.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Yeah,